What steps are needed before running Amazon PPC campaigns? Hey, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to answer exactly this question, and I put together a quick presentation in order to make this even more visual appealing. We have 5 steps that we have to answer. The very first one is going to be inventory. So when it comes to Amazon, before even thinking to advertise anything, we would have to ensure that we have enough inventory. Usually what we're seeing on our end, really depending on the niche and the category and how many units you would approximate sell it per month, anywhere between 50 to 100 units should be enough. So once we have those 50 to 100 units, we can go to the next step. The second step is listing competitiveness. No matter how many ads are you going to throw through your listing, the moment that the listing is not prepared for those eyeballs to convert into actual customers, you're going to just bring traffic to something that is not going to convert. Therefore, when it comes down to listing, you really have to ensure that your listing is competitive enough within your category. Your main image is going to tell exactly what the shopper is going to get the moment they are going to click on it. If you have inventory and if you have a very well optimized listing, we can go into the third step. The third step is break-even ACoS. Now, what is break-even ACoS and how would you calculate it? For example, if your sales value is $100 and if you have to pay $25 for cost of goods sold, these are going to be all your expenses when it comes down to how much would it cost you until you're going to ship your product ready into Amazon. That means that you have $75 as net profit margin. So in this example, $100 minus $25, which is $75, and then we are going to divide by 100. So we're going to end up with 75%. Whatever ACoS is going to be equal to 75%, that means that you're breaking even. Whatever it's underneath, it means that you are profitable, and whatever is over the 75 threshold is going to be negative profitability. Step 4, skill set. Either you are going to learn the skill set of advertising, either you're going to outsource this to maybe an agency, maybe a freelancer, maybe someone else who already has knowledge in this department. Now, very important is to understand that either way, it's okay. For example, 5 years ago when we started our own brand on Amazon, I was the one who learned all the ins and outs of PPC, how does advertising work, and even more importantly, understanding what is the right approach and what is the wrong approach. So I would highly advise, first off, just go through all the Amazon PPC tutorial videos on my channel. If you identify with the first step, you want to learn how to do it yourself. If you would like to outsource this, so it's really important for you not only to outsource it to whoever has a pulse and it's accepting your account to manage it, but to also understand which are the best questions to ask to see if it's the right fit for you. If you're checking out this video, I am assuming that you're total beginner. So based on that, I'm seeing a lot of mistakes that beginners make even whenever they would hire out Amazon PPC to someone else. I also created a quick video regarding how you would ask the best questions to the agency. I'm going to attach that as the last video, and I'm also going to add it into the description. But really important for you is going to be to understand for this step is either you want to learn the skill set, either you want to have someone else to do it for you, but it's a skill set that you will need to invest time in order to understand what's what and to decide where it's going to make the most sense for you to invest your time. And the fifth and last step is success measurement and optimization. By this stage already, you starting running ads and are going to see, okay, what is the outcome of my very first ads? If you're in a product launch phase, which I assume that you're going to be if you're watching this video and you're just starting out on Amazon, your sales is highly likely that are going to be unprofitable just because you're still teaching Amazon what your product is, and customers are going to compare your product with other products that have tons of reviews and your product has none. So here you're going to get a lot of data based on the ads that you're running, and then you're going to decide which are the best keywords that you should be continuing targeting, and or to see which are the next keywords that you should be targeting that might have a better chance of converting and make your product profitable. And there you have it. Certainly hope that you found this helpful, and if you did, also ensure to check out our step-by-step guide when it comes to asking the right questions when you would hire an agency.